Good morning.
Good morning, sir.
Sir, today's the screen is good.
Is good.
Sir, means my your screen is today is good
Visible.
that I am seeing it very clearly.
Okay. That means there is no network problem today.
Yes, sir.
Sir, what we do today? Sir, what we do today?
Beta, we will um, continue the exercise. Till which question we have done? Yeah. So we have done till question number 6. I think.
4.
4. We have not done 5th and 6th. नहीं करें कोई बात नहीं. We have done till question 4. All of you. जल्दी बताइए.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, sir.
Okay. Question number 5. We will now do question 5. In the adjoining figure, AB is equal to AC, BD is equal to DC. Prove that the triangles are congruent. This angle is 90 and this angle is equal to this angle. So this is the figure. ABC is a triangle in which AB is given equal to AC and BD is equals to DC. Okay, this is given. You have to show that these two triangles are congruent. So let us start with the solution. Beta, do you want to have a full HD experience today? Only because of you, I will give you a
The SS properties are putting in this question. Triple S.
Sir, is this triple S?
So this is triple S property.
yes.
Putting in.
You can prove that the two triangles are congruent by triple S property. Absolutely correct.
So I am correct. Triple S property is putting in this question.
Yes, beta, you are correct.
Okay, sir.
Just wait for a minute, okay? I'm just pausing my video. Now is it clearly visible? Everyone? Is it visible to everyone clearly? The board is clear? Is it a full edge view?
Yes, sir.
Hmm. So yeah, please unpin from the screen which I was using earlier, and I have joined with another device.
Good afternoon, sir.
Good afternoon. Pin that device. I've joined with another device. Okay. So
Sir,
this is my this is my phone. I have now connected from my phone. The laptop does not have a good camera, so that is why. Yes. Now let us continue with the question. But every day I can't use my phone for this because it does not have a very good. No, it consumes a lot of battery. The online classes, so that is why I can't use it every day. Okay. So question 5, solution. So we have to prove that these two triangles are congruent. In triangle, it is very easy to prove congruency in the two triangles. In triangle ABD and triangle ACD, AB is equal to AC given. Also, BD is equal to CD, again given. Third thing, AD is equal to AD, common in both the triangles. Am I right or not?
Yes,
AD
sir.
is common. Therefore, triangle ABD, triangle ABD is congruent to triangle ACD by triple SSS property. They are congruent. Now, you also have to prove that angle ADB, ये वाले angles, angle ADB and angle ADC, these are equal and each of the angle is 90 degrees. So once we have proved that these two triangles are congruent, we can say that all the corresponding parts will be equal to each other. So angle ADB is equals to angle ADC. CPCT क्या होता है, मैंने आपको कल बताया था, corresponding parts of congruent triangles. If two triangles are congruent, उनके corresponding parts, यानी कि सारे एंगल्स आपने सीखा हुआ है, मैंने वीडियोस जब आपको दिखाए थे. If two triangles are congruent, उनके सारे एंगल्स, सारी साइड्स इक्वल होती है दोनों ट्राइंगल्स की. So angle ADB और angle ADC ये दोनों भी एक दूसरे के इक्वल हो जाएंगे because these are corresponding parts. So इसकी फुल फॉर्म क्या होती है? Corresponding parts of congruent triangles.
Congruent triangle.
Corresponding parts of congruent triangles. So therefore these two angles are equal. Now how can we prove that each of the two angles is 90 degrees? Can we say that their sum is 180? इन दोनों angles का sum 180 होगा. Can we say that the sum of these two angles is 180?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
They are linear pair.
Yes.
Angle ADB plus angle ADC is equal to 180.
80 degree.
Linear pair of angles. These are linear pair of angles. LP. Short form लिखी है मैंने. Now angle ADB and ADC are equal. So मैं ADC की जगह देखिए. These two angles are equal. मैंने अभी इन दोनों angles को equal prove किया है.
Sir, angle ADB is written. Sir, angle ADB plus angle ADC is equal to. Sir, what is
180.
180 degree?
100. Yes.
Sir, by LP linear pair.
Yes. ADB plus अब ADC की जगह भी मैं क्या लिख रहा हूँ? ADB लिख रहा हूँ. Why? Only ADB. इसकी जगह भी ADB लिख रहा हूँ। Why? Because ADC को हटा करके मैंने ADB लिख दिया, क्यों? Because they are equal. We have just proved that the two angles are equal. तो मैंने ADC की जगह ADB लिख दिया. Okay, so this becomes angle ADB plus angle ADB. कितना बन गया? 2 angle ADB. Twice of angle ADB equals to 180. That means angle ADB is equals to 180 upon 2. So
Sir,
angle ADB is equal to 90 degrees. Angle ADB की वैल्यू क्या आ गई? 90 degrees.
sir, angle A plus angle ADB.
Angle ADB plus angle ADB equals to 180. That means two angle ADB is equal to 180. So angle ADB equals to 90 degrees.
उसमें क्वेश्चन के अकॉर्डिंग आते हैं और हम गलत कर देते हैं.
So angle ADB plus angle ADC equals to 90. Though both the angles are equal, therefore we can say both the angles are 90 degrees each. Angle ADB plus angle ADC equals to 90 degrees. Okay, both the angles 90. And now one more part is there. Second part we have proved. Another part is there. Beta, your voice is not clear. Therefore, angle BAD is also equal to BAD. कौन सा angle है? ये वाला. BAD and angle CAD. These are also equal to each other because again they are corresponding parts of congruent triangle. The two angles are congruent. तो इनके सारे corresponding parts equal हो गए. Angle BAD is equal to angle CAD. Reason CPCT. Corresponding parts of congruent triangles. Hence proved. So everything we have proved. We have proved that the triangles are congruent. We have proved that these two angles. मैंने गलती से प्लस लगा दिया बेटा, यहाँ पे इक्वल टू लगाना है आपको. ADB is equal to ADC is equal to 90. तीनों एंगल्स दोनों एंगल आपके 90 के हैं. And finally angle BAD equal to angle CAD. CPCT, these two angles. Yes.
5 not taken. ADC plus angle ADC is equal to 180.
लीनियर पेयर ऑफ एंगल्स बेटा, स्ट्रेट लाइन पर आपने लाइंस एंड एंगल्स चैप्टर पढ़ा था, वहां पे आपने सीखा है when two angles are linear pair they are on the same side of a straight line, उनका सम क्या होगा? 180 डिग्रीज होगा. आपने सीखा है नहीं सीखा है?
So sir, we can take also ADC. ADC plus ADC is equal to 180.
Yes, you can write like that also because they both are equal. आप या तो दोनों जगह ADC लिख दीजिए. That is also correct.
So what is the full form of CPCT?
Corresponding parts of congruent triangles. Corresponding parts of congruent triangles. ठीक है? Okay. Question 6. Done, all of you? This one.
The next question.
Sixth is very easy. Question 6. In the adjoining figure, ABC is a triangle in which AD is the bisector of angle A. So similar type of figure is there, but given information is different. Okay, bisector का meaning क्या होता है? Do you all know the meaning of bisector? Suppose if I draw an angle like this.
Dividing line.
Dividing in equal parts. So if angle AOB, suppose if I tell you that angle AOB is 60 degrees, कितना है ये? 60 degree का. So if I draw a line or a line segment which divides the given angle into two equal parts, इसने दो equal parts में काट दिया, 30 degrees and 30 degrees. So OC ने यहाँ पर क्या करा? OC has divided the angle into two equal parts, 30 and 30. So this means OC को हम क्या बुलाएंगे? OC is the bisector of angle AOB. OC ने क्या करा? Angle A को bisect कर दिया. So OC is the bisector. Okay. Here in this case, the same thing is done by AD. The side AD is doing the same thing. Line segment AD. It is dividing angle A in two equal parts. This is given. Angle A is divided in two equal parts by the line segment AD. Okay. So that is why AD is the bisector. ये meaning होता है bisector का. Do you all understand the meaning of bisector?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Okay. And also AD is perpendicular. AD is also perpendicular to BC. Perpendicular का meaning क्या होता है? 90 degree angle पे fall कर रही है BC के ऊपर. Okay. The angle between AD and BC is 90 degrees. This is the meaning of perpendicular. Now you have to show that triangle ABC is isosceles. ABC triangle को isosceles prove करने के लिए I will prove that triangle ABD is congruent to triangle ACD. पहले तो मैं ये करूंगा. इन दोनों triangles को ABD.
फॉर्मूला लगेगा AS.
नहीं बेटा. ASA लगेगा यहाँ.
ASA.
Yes.
हाँ ASA.
So these two triangles I will prove that they are congruent, and CPCT से I can say that AB is equal to AC. जब AB AC equal है, then we can say that the triangle is isosceles. बहुत simple है. So in triangle ABD and triangle ACD, सबसे पहले तो angle BAD is equals to angle CAD. क्यों कह सकते हैं हम ये दोनों angles equal हैं? Because AD is bisector of angle A. AD ने क्या करा है? Angle A को bisect किया है.
किया है.
equal हो गए. Second thing, AD is equals to AD common. AD equals to AD common side. Third thing, angle ADB equals to angle ADB, ADC. What is the reason? Because AD is perpendicular to BC. This is the symbol of perpendicular. AD is perpendicular to BC, so we can say that both the angles are 90 degrees each. दोनों equal हो गए. ADB equal to 90 degrees. Okay. Now, therefore, it is quite clear that triangle ABD is congruent to triangle ACD by angle side angle. Angle, side, angle. So three things are there: angle, side, and angle. The side is between the two equal angles, so that is why we are using angle side angle, not AAS.
Yes.
It is. So दोनों triangles congruent prove हो गए. And now, because the two triangles are congruent, दोनों के corresponding parts equal हो जाएंगे. So that means AB, you can see from the first two letters क्या है यहाँ पर? AB. यहाँ पर first two letters क्या है? AC. So AB is equal to AC. Reason, corresponding parts of congruent triangles. CPCT. Okay. If AB is equal to AC, ABAC के इक्वल हमने प्रूव कर दिया. Now can we say that triangle ABC is isosceles? Isosceles triangle क्या होता है? जिसमें दो साइड्स इक्वल होती हैं. तो हमने अभी
Yes,
प्रूव कर इक्वल है. Therefore we can say that triangle ABC is isosceles. Therefore triangle ABC is isosceles. Got it? इतना
सर
सिंपल.
आपने सर
हाँ जी.
सर आपने ऐसा किया कि सर हमने ABD इज इक्वल टू एंगल ACD को इक्वल किया, फिर हमने AB को ले लिया और AC को लेकर उन्हें corresponding एंगल
Parts of congruent triangles.
कर दिया और आइसोलीसिस कहला दिया.
Excuse me, sir.
Yes.
Sir, is perpendicular is equal to 90 degree?
Yes, yes. If a line is perpendicular to another line, then that means the angle between them is 90 degrees.
Sir, how is the AD is bisector of angle A?
It is given, beta.
Sir, we can also write that AD is bisector of angle D.
No, angle D तो it is a straight angle. Angle D की अगर हम बात कर रहे हैं तो angle D is a straight angle. So yes, we can say that AD is bisector of angle D because it is perpendicular. Perpendicular जब भी होती है तो obviously दोनों angles equal होते हैं 90-90 के.
Yes, sir.
Done. Question 7 is your homework. It is very simple. Figure आपको given है. You just have to prove that the two triangles are congruent. Very easy question. I hope you all can. So 7th आप अपने आप try करेंगे.
और सर
We are-
हमें सब दिया है.
सब कुछ तो given है इसमें. कुछ करना ही नहीं है. Question 8 you will do it. Okay. Question number 8. So this is the figure given in question 8.
Sir, in question number 7, we have done in the example.
Yes. So here it is given that PA is perpendicular to AB. That means this angle is 90. Perpendicular का मतलब क्या होता है? Angle is 90 between them. Here also this is perpendicular. That means this angle is also 90 degrees. ये भी 90 है आपका. Okay. What else? Next, it is also given that PA is equals to BQ. PA and BQ are equal. आपको प्रूव करना है that these two triangles are congruent. बस इतना काम करना है. बहुत easy है ये भी. So let us start doing it. In triangle OAP and triangle OBQ, इन दोनों में congruency लगानी है आपको. So first of all, angle POA is equals to angle QOB. Can you tell me the reason? POA और QOB ये दोनों एंगल्स इक्वल क्यों हैं? Give me the reason. That means this angle is equal to this. What is the reason?
Sir, SAS property.
अरे एंगल में SAS प्रॉपर्टी कौन सी लगती है बेटा? दो एंगल्स को इक्वल प्रूव करने के लिए मैं पूछ रहा हूँ why these two angles are equal, बस ये पूछ रहा हूँ, कॉन्ग्रुएंसी थोड़ी पूछ रहा हूँ।
Sir, because they are equal.
हाँ क्यों इक्वल है? These are vertically opposite angles. Lines and angles chapter बिल्कुल भूल गए? When two lines cross each other, the vertically opposite angles are equal. दो लाइंस एक दूसरे को क्रॉस करती हैं तो वर्टिकली अपोजिट एंगल्स इक्वल नहीं होते हैं? भूल गए? Vertically opposite angles, write the full form. So these are vertically opposite angles. Second thing, angle A is equals to angle B equals to 90 degrees each. Given. ठीक है, 90 each ब्रैकेट में लिख लीजिए। अच्छा अगला, नेक्स्ट the next thing is that PA is equal to QB. ये भी given है आपको, कहानी खत्म हो गई। Therefore, triangle OAP is congruent to triangle OBQ by angle side. Angle side. देखिए angle and side. So AAS property से दोनों triangle आपके congruent हो गए. Can we say that OA is equal to OB? Starting two letters यहाँ पर देखिए, OA की लेंथ OB के इक्वल हो जाएगी. OA is equal to OB. Yes, they are corresponding parts. So we can say that OA is equals to OB. Reason, corresponding parts of congruent triangles. CPCT. Hence proved. यही करना था बस. Do it in your copies.
Sir, how it is AAS property?
बेटा there are two angles and one side. दो angles हैं देखिए और एक side है. So and the side is not between the two angles. क्या ये side इन दोनों angle के बीच वाली है? No. That means angle side लगाएंगे. Okay.
So means sir, there are two angles and where is the side?
ये वाली side है ना PA. This angle and side PA is equal to QB. ये आपको given है. PA and QB are equal. Given. It is given in the question. Read the question, you can understand.
Sir, the two sides, sir, the angle is coming between the two sides because the A is 90 degree.
क्या? बेटा there are two angles and one side. दो sides नहीं है, दो angles हैं और एक side है.
Sir, the two angles are this angle A 90 degree and this O angle, and one side is PA.
Yes, so these are the three things, two angles and one side. Natik, is there any brother or sister in the school? Do you have a sibling studying in the school?
Yes, sir. Sir, in class third.
What is his name? His or her? Sister or brother?
Sir, brother.
What is his name?
Sir, Manas Garg.
Manas Garg. Swastik Garg is also your brother?
No, sir.
No. Do you know Swastik Garg?
No, sir. Sir, in class sixth, there is any Shansh Mittal?
Sorry, who? What?
Sir, sir, there are two brothers.
You have two brothers.
Yes, sir.
Who's the second one?
Sir, one is sir, the Manas is my the real brother, and sir, in class sixth there is it's a sixth C. My cousin is there.
What is his name?
Sir, Shansh Mittal.
Sorry, tell me again.
Sir, Shansh Mittal.
Shreyansh Mittal. Okay. I have heard the name. I don't remember the face, whether I have met him in the school or not. I don't know. I have not taught him. Shreyansh Mittal. I have not taught him.
Sir, you have taught. He has said to me that Rasik sir has taught me in the first of July, in June and July.
In the starting,
Yes, sir.
in this session only.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay. I was not taking 6. Maybe 1 or 2 days I would have taken it. I don't know. Okay, so have you all done this? There is not much time left. We can't do another question in this much time. So, what to do? Ria Tiwari is attending the class. Ria, are you there?
Yes, sir.
How are you?
Sir, fine. How are you?
I am also fine. How is Jia?
She is also good, sir.
She's also good. She's there with you.
Yes, sir.
And how is your friend Kaushi?
She is also good.
She's still studying in this school or she has left the school?
Yes, sir. She is studying, but actually she is out of the group now because she doesn't pay the fees.
Okay. Okay, so we will meet in the next class, which is on Monday. Thank you, all of you. Bye-bye.
Bye, sir.
Bye-bye.